Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, darling. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you different things that I've been trying for the past couple of months. I just wanna give you an update of some of the beauty products that I got, and also I wanna give you an update on the this laser Nira machine for the wrinkles. So yeah, so I just wanna give you my honest review on all these products. Plus, I'm gonna give you a DIY, you could say, lavender and tea tree cleansing spray. So I'm gonna be doing that for you today in this video. So if you wanna see how I accomplish all these reviews and do this spray, keep on watching. Yeah. So I'm just gonna give you an outfit of the day today. So I'm wearing this shirt that I got last year on the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It's the 1901 is the brand name, and this is my citrus shirt. Yes, I'm wearing my baby German initial pendant, my diamond earrings, my eye watch, and really nothing else. I'm wearing my Levi's black shorts and my comfy sandals. So that's my outfit of the day. Hi guys, so let me just talk to you a little bit about the Nira machine that I got a couple of months ago. I've been using it twice a day for the past 2 months. I haven't skipped any days. And I took a lot of before and after pictures, and I really haven't noticed any difference. You know, maybe I had to keep doing it longer. So I'm just gonna keep working on it, and I'm gonna come back to you in the third month to see how I feel about it. You know, so far I haven't really noticed any big difference or any difference at all. I have to say the serum, it's really nice. You know, I always put this after I do the treatment from the machine. Yeah guys, so if any of you guys have gotten any results using this machine, let me know. I try to use it at the highest power that I can, which is number 5. And I just do it all around my eyes. I'll do it on these lines in here. I do it in here, and I'm trying to do it in here to see if I can push this up. You know, it's not, this machine is not for that, but anyway, you know me, I like to live dangerously. So yeah guys, so this machine for me so far, I haven't noticed any changes, so I'll keep you updated, but so far it's been 2 months and you know, we'll see. The serum is a plus, I love it. Okay, so another product that I got a couple of months ago and I've been using non-stop, it's from Bay Harbor Beauty. I ordered 2 products, citrus mimosa, I think it's called. Yeah, the body cream. And I have to say, it's really good. My husband loves it. He just finished 1 container. Anyway, yeah, it's very refreshing, very moisturizing, and he was very happy with it, you know. And I also got this. It's called, let me just, Sake Extract Face Moisturizer. And I tried using this during the daytime. I found it too heavy for me to wear outside on the sun in the summertime, so I wear it at night as a night cream, and I have to say it works like a charm. I like to do it on my neck, I like to do it on my face. After I do the tretinoin cream or retin-A, this is very moisturizing, you know, to put on top of that. Yeah, so I'm happy with this, you know. And also I was able to get a hold of this hydrating water gel, and this is from all the creams that I gotten so far, I love this one. Look. I love the way it glides on your skin. I truly notice like it's like blur your pores on your face. I love the scent, and it works great as a face primer too. Very happy with this cream. I'm gonna be using this for a long time, darling. So this is a win-win for me. All 3 products have been excellent for me, so I do recommend them. Okay, so next, like I told you in the video that I posted yesterday, I'm getting into aromatherapy, and I did an infusion of gardenia flowers on different oils. And so the oil that I like the most, the carrier oil that I like the most for to do infusions, is the sweet almond oil. I think it got the most out of the flower, so it's the flower of the gardenia scent is very powerful on that oil. So I went to the health store and I just bought 2 different essential oils. I got the organic tea tree and organic lavender. So I'm gonna be making a lavender and tea tree cleansing spray, and I wanna show you how I make this. It's very simple. I got the instructions from the store. So very simple. It's only 3 ingredients. The ingredients are, let me just put my glasses on because I need to read. Half a teaspoon of lavender essential oil, so half a teaspoon of this. Half a teaspoon of the tea tree oil. 1 teaspoon of unscented liquid soap. So I'm using Dawn liquid that doesn't have any scent. And 15 ounces of water, which we have here. And a 16-ounce watering spray, which I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so I'm just going to put you in another angle so I can show you how I make this beautiful cleansing spray, okay? Yes! So let's do this. So I'm going to pour you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to pour the oils and the soap in the water, and then I'm just going to transfer everything to the spray bottle. So it's very easy to make. So first I'm going to take the organic tea tree. So this is going to be half a teaspoon. I have in here my measuring. So this is it, half a teaspoon. Oh my God, the smell, it's amazing. Let me make sure, half a teaspoon. Okay, here we go. This is like a dropper. Okay, here we go. Half a teaspoon of tea tree oil. Let me just. And guys, it's a very good idea that if you can afford, get the best kind of essential oil that you can afford, because like everything else, you get what you pay for. You know, it doesn't pay to go cheap on trying to save some money when you get the very mediocre product. Okay, and half a teaspoon of lavender oil. I mean, this is a perfect combination. It smells amazing. Wow. Yes. Here we go. So again, half a teaspoon of tea tree, half a teaspoon of lavender, and 1 teaspoon of unscented liquid soap. So here's the soap. One teaspoon, it says. So let me just. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Let me make sure I get everything out of this ramekin. Dawn soap is very gentle, guys. That's what they use to clean the animals when they go when they get covered with oil. Whenever there's like an oil spill. So this is very gentle soap. I use it for everything. Okay, so then I take this bottle and use the funnel, and then I just pour it in. Can you see? Yes. And some of the oil, some of the soap still on the bottom. Make sure you just pour everything in. So guys, I just want to let you know, I'm looking on YouTube channel, different channels that show how to do different kinds of this kind of concoctions, and also I want to do my own soap. I want to do my own candles. I want to do my own perfume. So I'm just, I'm having so much fun, investigating and just getting into these different fields. Okay, and that's it. And I'm just gonna screw it in, and you have the most delicious scented spray. Isn't that easy? It's good for you. It's good for the environment. It's good to clean with this. You have like pets around you. You don't want to harm them with chemicals. So I think this is the best way to go. So I'm just gonna take a picture of all of this paper, and then I'm just gonna post it on in the video, so you have an idea of how to make this at home. So yes, guys. So that's it for the video today. You know, I just wanted to give you an update of products that I was reviewing, and I didn't want you to think that I just forget about it. It's just that I really want to use them for at least a couple of months to give you like an honest review how I feel about it. You know, again, I'm just gonna go back and just tell you how I feel about this this Nira laser after another month, and yeah. So I just have to be honest. I cannot tell you like it's changing my face when it's not. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, guys. Share my content with all your friends and family. Tell them to come and see me. What else? Take care of yourself and each other, guys. Until the next one, ta-ta! Yeah!